Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Top 10 most expensive shoes ever made. Let's get started. Everyone knows someone obsessed with shoes. You might even be that person yourself. Always keen to hear about the new Yeezys or Jordans. High fashion designer names, incredibly talented artists and the world's finest jewels make these the most expensive shoes in the world. 1. Drake's Golden OVOX Air Jordans, $1.9 million. It would be an injustice to a list of expensive shoes to exclude the world's favorite sneaker. But not just any pair of JS will do, these had to be special. That's why the first piece on this list is Drake's 24K Gold Jordan 10s. Based on the price of gold at the time of purchase and the purported 100 pounds. Total weight of these shoes. The material alone should have been worth $1.9 million. Considering that Drake commissioned Matthew Senna, an acclaimed mixed media and conceptual artist who's known for his secret process to create the one-of-a-kind pair, it sounds like he got a bargain. 2. Jason Arashabin Custom Tom Fords, $2 million. In anticipation of the 2014 season finale of America's Got Talent, Nick Cannon knew that he wanted to make a big statement. As the story goes, he contacted Jason Arashabin, the force behind Jason of Beverly Hills, for help in creating the most expensive shoes in the world. After spending 4 months sourcing the 14,000 diamonds, with a total weight of 340 carats, that adorned the shoe's surface and going through 7 pairs of shoes across 2,000 hours of work, Arashabin finally landed on a pair of patent leather Tom Fords as the base for this over-the-top masterpiece. 3. Stuart Weitzman Tanzanite Heels, $2 million. You might not know this, but Tanzanite is rarer than diamonds. It was discovered by the Maasai tribe in 1967 on Mount Kilimanjaro, and that single mine is still the only one known to man. These heels measure 4.5 inches and are adorned with 185 carats of the gemstone fitting, as Stuart Weitzman designed them in collaboration with jeweler. 4. Stuart Weitzman Cinderella Slippers, $2 million. This one-of-a-kind pair is the stuff of fairy tales. Inspired by the story by the same name, Weitzman sought to create something a bit more wearable than the fabled glass slippers. Lacy white Italian leather straps carry 565 Kuwait diamonds in platinum settings. The right shoe features a $1 million 5-carat amaretto diamond to make the lucky wearer feel like a true princess. 5. Stuart Weitzman Rita Hayworth Heels, $3 million. Stuart Weitzman has a knack for producing some of the world's most valuable footwear, and the Rita Hayworth heels are no exception. Rita Hayworth was one of the biggest stars of her time. The diamond, ruby and sapphire stones set in them once belonged to the superstar, making this a truly special pair. They're now owned by Princess Yasmin Aga Khan, Hayworth's daughter, with Prince Ali Salman Aga Khan. 6. Harry Winston Ruby Slippers, $3 million. It took Harry Winston 2 months to craft these jewel-encrusted slippers, which were created in 1989 to commemorate the 50th anniversary of The Wizard of Oz. The shoes were made in a size 4 to remain true to the film, and they carry 25 carats of diamonds and 1,350 carats of rubies. The surprising thing about this pair is that the original shoes worn in the film sold at auction for less than these. But this remains one of the few cases where the remake is more costly than the original. 7. Shoes thrown at President Bush, $10 million. If it weren't so easy to verify, this would seem like a joke, but the shoes that were used in an attempt at assaulting a former president are worth $10 million to at least one Saudi Arabian man. The craftsmanship of this shoe, the Ducati Model 271, is claimed by Turkish cobbler Ramazan Beydan, and it certainly didn't stop Hassan Mohammed Mukafa from offering $10 million for the original pair with plans to enshrine them forever. 8. Debbie Wingham High Heels, $15.1 million. Debbie Wingham began her career in fashion, expanded her interests into cakes, then brought the two together to create what was, for a time, the most expensive pair of shoes in the world. These $15 million heels look as much like a delectable treat as they do the near pinnacle of high-fashion footwear. Putting these shoes together took hundreds of hours. A few precious gems and plenty of gold, even down to the 18K gold thread that makes the stitching. A diamond-encrusted cake cost one customer $64 million. 9. Passion Jewelers X Jada Dubai Diamond Shoes, $17 million. It's hard to raise the bar from a pair of $15 million stilettos, but two high-class luxury brands came together to make it happen. This particular pair is made of gold and adorned with flawless D diamonds, 2 of which weigh in at a whopping 15 carats. The CEO of Passion Jewelers weighed in on their design, saying that they reflect the spirit of the royal dream, being composed of limited edition timepieces created for the modern high society woman. 10. Antonio Vietri Moonstar Shoes, $19.9 million. This is the main event, the top of the list. Forgive the pun. But this pair of shoes is quite literally out of this world. If you're going to showcase a record-breaking shoe, you do it in style. These, for example, were revealed to the world for the first time on a yacht in Dubai. As a part of Made in Italy, designed in Emirates, Fashion Week. It's got a heel made of solid gold, 30 carats of diamonds and a bit of 16th century Argentinian meteorite. This is especially true if they were flung at a president, but we wouldn't recommend you try it yourself. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.